Do you want to make PDF to Word, image, Excel, PPT, text and HTML files? And you can also make PDF file from picture, Word, PPT and Excel. We can do all things with just single application on iPhone and iPad. Let's roll our intro. Open App Store for download application. Same process for iPhone and iPad, so you can watch whole progress in single video. Let's search for PDF to Word. This is our application. This application size is 95 MB. Tap on download icon and again. Now you need to wait for download. Tap to open this application. Allow permissions. You can skip membership from tap to left cross button. This is our application and you can look out whole features of PDF files. Let me take it to real-time testing for you. This is my Mac screen and you are watching Wikipedia page right now. Let me make PDF file of this page and now I'm going to open this file on this machine. This is preview of actual PDF file. Now I'm sending this file on my iPhone and show you how application will works. I'm sending this file with AirDrop. Let's open with PDF converter application. Now our file is opened. You can change view by tapping on 4 square buttons and also you can some copy paste actions. Tap on document conversion. Many options to choose, but I'm going to choose HTML because I enjoy these options too much. Skip this by tap on up to 5 pages. Again tap on cross button. Conversion is started, so wait for the progress end. Now you can watch final result here, but I'm going to share this file to my Mac and show you how it actually works.